next one is Greg. I have received my first guest post from QGP. That must be Greg Pippin. What's up, Greg? He says, would it make sense to order a niche edit from Semantic Mastery? Excuse me, from Semantic, you mean Semantic Links, as a backlink for the guest post? Yeah, you can. Remember, those are target URLs. They can be, right? You can build tier 2 links to your guest post that you purchased so that you can push more relevance through that link. Remember, when I talk about buying those types of links, which I do for my own clients, by the way, just to be clear, guys, I don't do outreach links at Semantic Links, but I do have a provider that I use that I buy links from for my own client projects. Why? Because of the traffic metrics. That's why. I don't buy links because of DA. I don't buy links because of DR. I buy links based on relevance, which is why I have semantic links, because semantic links are links based on pure relevance, either topical or geographic relevance. I don't focus on metrics. I focus on relevance. But traffic, which a lot of my sites lack because they don't have a lot of traffic, traffic is a validation signal. So I buy guest posts and niche edits from outreach link providers, but I use mainly QGP for that. And it starts at $199 per link. So it's stupid expensive, which is why I only do 1 or 2 per quarter per local client. I don't do it for my white label agency clients, but I do it for my own local clients. Does that make sense? My own local SEO clients, tree contractors. Depending on what their budget is, I will buy 1 or 2 outreach links per quarter for my tree service contractor clients, because what I'm buying is I still try to buy a link with at least page level relevance, maybe not domain level relevance, but page level relevance, and then traffic. I'm looking for higher traffic statistics, maybe not at the page level, but at the domain level. That makes sense. And that's what I'm buying. So I try to buy a relevant link at the page level with traffic domain, with good domain traffic statistics. And I found that sprinkling a couple of those links in with those semantic links helps to kind of ignite, especially in more competitive areas. Like, I don't buy QGP links for all of my clients, but the more competitive ones I do. And I found that it helps. So to get back to Greg's question, yeah, absolutely. Especially if you're pushing semantic links through a guest post, you can push more relevance into that post. So that link becomes more valuable now. Does that make sense? So that's absolutely a good idea. All right. Any suggestions for Google to notice that link? Yeah, just submit the page URL to an indexer. That's all you got to do. And there are a number of those, right? Google, if the site has traffic, then that page will get crawled eventually anyways, but you can force it by submitting it to an indexer. Okay, just pick one.